Hello, dear friends. So in this video, we will learn how to install Python and PyCharm. So let's start with Python. So open up your favorite internet browser, search Python in Google or whatever your favorite search engine is. Click python.org. Click on Downloads. Okay, so now we can choose whatever works for our computer system. Choose Windows if it's Windows, choose Mac OS if it's Mac OS, and let's start the download. And then when the download's complete, we can start to install Python onto our computer. Choose Install Now, so the installation is started. And once that's done, click Close. Now our installation is complete. Now, to make programming easier and more comfortable, we need an IDE. So let's talk about IDE. An Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is a software suite that consolidates basic tools required to write and test software. Developers use numerous tools throughout software code creation, building, and testing. Development tools often include text editors, code libraries, compilers, test platforms. So without an IDE, a developer must select, deploy, integrate, and manage all of these tools separately. An IDE brings many of those development-related tools together into a single framework, application, or service. So the integrated tool set is designed to simplify software development and can identify and minimize coding mistakes and typos. Some IDEs are open source, while others are commercial offerings. An IDE can be a standalone application, or it can be part of a larger package. So we're going to use PyCharm when we're developing software in Python, so why don't we go ahead and start to install PyCharm IDE. Open our internet browser, search PyCharm in Google, click www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and click Download Now, and we'll choose Community. And now let's start the download. So when the download's completed, we can start to install PyCharm onto our computer. Now we'll just click Next. Click Next. And we'll choose whatever suits our operating system. And the installation is started. And when that's done, click Finish. So now our installation is completed, and PyCharm's opening. So let's choose Do Not Import and click OK. And let's choose Don't Send. And we'll choose Create a New Project. Now let's enter a folder name here. This folder keeps our Python projects. And that's it. Now, we're at the end of this video, so we installed PyCharm and Python successfully. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.